Look at Elon Musk. Look at MrBeast. Two men from completely different worlds, yet they both did something most of humanity never understands. They didn't chase money. They became obsessed with impact that scales. Most people think billionaires are just lucky, but psychology shows there's a pattern. Elon didn't stop at PayPal. He moved to cars, rockets, civilization-level infrastructure. MrBeast didn't chase brand deals. He chased distribution, then turned attention into a money-printing machine. They think totally differently. Today, we decode the psychology which resulted in the formation of a billion-dollar business. 1. They build what gives leverage, not salary. Elon didn't just want to get paid by a company. He wanted to build companies that changed the direction of history. MrBeast didn't want to be hired by Hollywood. He built a platform bigger than TV itself. They both understood this secret law. Who controls distribution controls the future. That mindset is how you go from money problems to money becoming a side effect. 2. They can suffer through boredom the normal mind cannot survive. Most people burn out when the results are slow. Elon spent years with Tesla literally dying every quarter. MrBeast uploaded hundreds of videos before the world noticed he existed. This is billionaire psychology. They can tolerate embarrassment. They can tolerate irrelevance. They can tolerate slow. Because they see a world no one else sees yet. They emotionally live in the future. 3. They value scale more than perfection. Remember this. Elon launches rockets knowing some will fail. MrBeast uploads ideas knowing many won't hit. Most people want everything to be polished. Billionaire minds want everything to be scalable. They optimize for reach, replication, compounding effects, not aesthetics. They don't want it to be flawless. They want it to take over. 4. They use curiosity as their navigation system. Elon is obsessed with what would humanity need in 50 years. MrBeast is obsessed with what video would break the internet. Their compass is not money. Their compass is fascination. Because here's the raw truth. Money is a byproduct. Curiosity is the fuel. And their curiosity is stronger than most people's fear. 5. They are never the smartest in their own world. Elon builds teams who know more about rockets than he ever could. MrBeast hires people who are geniuses in editing, analytics, virality. Billionaire minds don't want to win in the room. They want to learn from the room.